गुड इवनिंग। अरे शुभा अभी तक आई क्यों नहीं? शो शुरू होने का टाइम हो गया।
चलो, आई एम रियली सॉरी। तुमने शुरू किया क्या?
नहीं, अभी वेट कर रहे हैं ना तुम्हारे लिए शुरू करने के लिए। नमस्कार।
गुड इवनिंग। आई जस्ट गेट वन मोर टच, ओके?
ओह माय गॉड, इसको क्या लग रहा है हम एक्टिंग करने आए हैं इधर?
क्या बोली? तुमको मालूम नहीं है मैं लास्ट ईयर की बेस्ट एक्टर हूँ।
वो तो हमने देखा था लास्ट टाइम, पता है कितना एक्टिंग की थी तुमने। चलो हम शो स्टार्ट करते हैं, ओके?
कौन बोला? आधे लोग अभी भी क्रैकर्स फोड़ रहे हैं।
मैंने सबको बोला आके इधर बैठने के लिए, अभी आते होंगे।
अब तो तुमने समझा, आधे लोग तुम्हारे बात सुनता नहीं है।
चलो कोई बात नहीं, अब हम शो स्टार्ट कर देते हैं, ओके? लेट्स स्टार्ट।
ओके स्टार्ट। अब बोलिए।
एक्चुअली पद्मिनी होती ना तो मैं उन्हीं को दे देती, मेरे से ये सब नहीं होता, बहुत मुश्किल लगता।
लेकिन वो तो कल आ रही है ना। कोई बात नहीं, अभी तो आपको ही करना पड़ेगा।
नमस्कार।
नमस्कार।
इधर असेंबल हुए सभी लोगों को मेरी दिवाली की बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं।
हैप्पी दिवाली टू ऑल।
आई होप आप लोगों ने सब दिल भर के अपने पटाखे फोड़ लिए। अभी हम शुरू करें?
अगर खत्म हो गया तो हम अपना अगला प्रोग्राम शुरू करें।
ये एक छोटी सी मूवी है और इसमें जो एक्ट कर रहे हैं वो हमारे बीच में ही बैठे हुए हैं।
एक्चुअली यू नो, डायरेक्टर ने मुझे 3-4 बार बुलाया था एक्टिंग करने के लिए, लेकिन मेरे पास बिल्कुल टाइम ही नहीं था।
Actually, director has told me that he avoided all his past mistakes. Anyway, this movie is a result of the cooperation between many of our Badar complex inmates, which shows our feeling of unity, brotherhood and cooperation and coming together for a humble cause.
Yes, you may all agree that ours is the only housing society in Kuwait where one can see wholehearted cooperation and integrity.
I pray to God that this feeling of togetherness will last forever. Now we present before you this short film for your entertainment.
As we are showing this in the open area, I request all of you to be attentive to capture the spirit of the movie.
Thank you.
Thank you.
حضرة المستفيد الكرام، مرحبا بكم في دولة الكويت. بالحمد لله تعالى هبطنا الآن في مطار الكويت الدولي. التوقيت المحلي هو الساعة 7:25 صباحا من أجل سلمان. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Kuwait. We have just landed at Kuwait International Airport. The local time is 7:25 AM. For your safety and the safety of others, please remain seated.
मैं नाइट राइड मर मर टायर दी मैं चीख कटदा सारे लोकी तक दे वे की हो गया लगदा मैं अज मेरा दिल रुक गया उन्हों मैं पुछदा नी कड्डी साडे बह जा नी जट्टीए नी दूर तू
Rohan, switch off the laptop and start studying.
मैं तेरा एम्पलीफायर आया नी कड्डी साडे बह जा नी जट्टीए नी दूर तैनू ले
Rohan!
नी वूफर तू मेरी मैं तेरा एम्पलीफायर
मम्मा एक मिनट यार प्लीज
गड्डी मेरी तैनू भी आवाज मारदी ब्लैक लेदर सीटा उत्ते आ बैनी
Rohan, अभी तक पढ़ाई नहीं शुरू किया?
पूरी दुनिया दी
रुको ना मम्मा एक मिनट प्लीज
पिछले 1 घंटे से तुमको बोल रही हूँ ये बंद करो और पढ़ाई शुरू करो सुनाई नहीं दे रहे?
पिछले 1 घंटे से मैं भी तो बोल रहा हूँ एक मिनट क्या आपको नहीं सुनाई दे रहा?
It's all because of you. You spoiled him. Tell him to stop.
Rohan, do what your mama says. Please stop that.
Ask him to go and study. Do I have to tell you everything?
Go and study your socials.
Oh no, the answers are very long. Why study about the past? Kud Budhin, Ivan Batuta. What is this?
All right. Why don't you study English?
English is so easy. There's nothing to study.
Social is tough. English is easy. Don't need to study. What's all this?
Okay, fine. I'll watch TV for an hour and then go and study.
Suresh, idhar aa.
Oh.
He's in class 9. He does not take things seriously. He's not obeying me at all.
What to do? He's not obeying me too. You know how disciplined I was at his age?
Yes. Your mom had told me all the stories about you. How spoiled you were. Rohan is exactly like you.
Okay. Now what to do? If he goes on like this, how will he get into engineering? How will I keep my head up in the society?
Why don't you check with your friend Shyam? He can advise Rohan.
Okay, let me see.
I was just leaving you a message.
I wanted to surprise you.
Well, you succeeded. Welcome to Istanbul.
Mom, look at this. Oh, it's beautiful. Dad's the best, huh?
Yes, he is.
He's here.
I want all 3 of them alive. Listen to me carefully, Kim. Your mother is going to be taken.
दो लफ्जों में ये बयां ना हो पाए। एक लड़का एक लड़की की ये कहानी है नहीं, दो लफ्जों में ये बयां ना हो पाए।
तेरी मेरी मेरी तेरी प्रेम कहानी है मुश्किल, दो लफ्जों में ये बयां ना हो पाए। एक दूजे से हुए जुदा जब एक दूजे के लिए बने। तेरी मेरी तेरी प्रेम कहानी है मुश्किल, दो लफ्जों में ये बयां ना हो पाए। सारा दिन बीत जाए, सारी रात जगाए,
दिव्या,
बस ख्याल तुम्हारा लम्हा लम्हा तड़पाए। ये तड़प के रही है मिट जाए, फासले तेरे मेरे दरमियान जो है सारे।
दिव्या, दिव्या,
What's this girl doing? Divya! Divya! What are you doing? ये क्या कर रही हो?
Chatting with my friends on Facebook, ma.
ये पूरा दिन तो स्कूल में चैट करते हो, फिर घर आके क्यों चैट करना है ये? Why don't you stop this and practice music a little bit?
I'm talking to my friends, ma. I'll practice later. You're so boring.
क्या हुआ? क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
ये मेरी बात सुनती नहीं, कुछ भी जो बोलो सुनती नहीं है।
She'll change, don't worry. Let me talk to her.
You don't have to worry. People will blame me for this, to bringing up her like this. इस बच्ची का क्या होगा पता नहीं।
Easy, easy. Let me talk to her. मैं बात करके देखता हूँ। Don't worry.
Now I don't know how to switch a TV. I'm good for nothing.
Mumbai Indians are going to burn the pitch today, Sunny.
Yes!
Come on, India!
do your work. Don't distract him. He has a science test tomorrow. Gosh, this DPS system of Sunday tests is killing our weekends. Kids can't enjoy, and so do their moms.
Parents!
Sunny, pay attention! Photosynthesis is a process which is performed by autotrophs.
What's an autotroph? ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे कल उसका IIT एग्जाम है। छोड़ो यार, let him enjoy his childhood.
Baby, if you can't teach them, at least let me. Please, don't disturb.
अरे भाई, तुम लोग अपने रूम में जाके पढ़ो ना।
The table is small there, and all of us can't study together. As you can see, I have to teach both. And you have to catch on your scores, sweetheart.
हमने तो आज तक होमवर्क भी नहीं किया, क्लास में फर्स्ट भी नहीं आए. You are the university topper, and look where you are and where I am.
My homework is over. Papa, can I get a time changing inverter for my next birthday as Doraemon has?
What inverter? Gosh, never heard of this term in my engineering classes. And who is Doraemon?
Okay, kids, if you both finish your homework before Papa comes from office, we will enjoy double ice cream chocolate and with waffles.
Yes!
What's a waffle? How much these kids know these days?
Papa, if you had done your homework, you would know what are autotrophs and what are waffles, wouldn't you?
Mommy! Hey Rohan! Where's Mommy?
She went to Padmini auntie's house for some puja.
What did you do the whole day today?
Yeah.
Hey, come on! What am I asking and what are you answering? Rohan!
What? What did you ask? Why are you disturbing me?
Disturbing! How long have you been in this Indian box?
It's Xbox, okay?
Why can't you study? Or go out and play?
Shit! I just lost 10 points now.
Don't ever use that word. Now go and study. Hello? Shit. Alright, we'll do that. Alright, fine.
Daddy, tell me, why do I have to study?
So that you can get good marks and admission to a good college.
So what?
That's how you learn well and get into good company.
And after that?
The good company will give you better salary.
And what will I do with that?
And you can get married to a better girl.
Like you did. And then?
And well, then you can get settled in life and...
what is the objective?
And then you can chat freely with your friends and do whatever you want to.
That's exactly what I'm doing right now.
There is no point in telling you anything. हाँ, किसके घर में गए थे पूजा के लिए?
पद्मिनी के घर में।
किसके लिए मांगा आपके भगवान से? मेरे लिए या आपके बेटे के लिए?
तुम के सुधरने वाले वो नहीं, मैं मेरे बेटे के लिए मांगा। Hey, did you meet Shyam?
अरे उसका हालत तो हमारे से भी खराब है। वो छोड़ो। Do you think Rohan will do well in the term exams?
Corin good? Are you joking? He is definitely below average. I have never seen him taking books after the school.
Does he go to catch the bus sometime in the morning?
Yes. After all the kids in the bus start shouting, Rohan, Rohan, he goes down. He doesn't even take his food properly.
In my days, we used to walk to school, eat whatever mama used to give, and study properly. What is this happening to the kids today?
Nowadays, they get everything very easily. We have to be strict with them.
What do you want me to do? Beat him up? Beating is not going to help. He is grown up now.
I don't know. We have to be strict with them. This boy is always like this.
Do you include me also in these boys?
Of course. He behaves just like you. He doesn't obey me. Shows no respect to me. I'm just a servant to you people.
Now, let's not get into another argument. What shall we do to change him? Shall we meet his teachers?
What's the use? Every PTA meeting sounds the same.
Shall we send him to the school counselors?
She left the job after having 2-3 sessions with his friends. It was more than enough for her.
Maybe we should see a professional counselor.
Find out somebody. We'll see.
Okay.
Excuse me, are you Mr. Harishankar Prasad?
Yes, come in. Have your seat. How can I help you?
My friend told very highly about you. I need your help in straightening my son.
Okay.
Last year, my son had got 98%. This year, his score has come to 93%.
Well, 93 is not a score to worry about. It's a good score.
No need to worry. You say 93 is a good score? I feel it is a low score, 93.
You see, kids oscillate here and there. You should see the brighter part. 93% is good score.
You mean to say I have a problem? I'm mad?
No. Give the boy a chance.
Chance? I give him enough. He is not changing. That is why I came to you. You have to advise him.
Well, if you insist.
I do insist.
Okay. Call him in, please.
I'll bring him in.
You told me that I need to talk to your son.
Yes, he is the one. Vishal in class 1.
Tell your friend that I resign from this job. Actually, the mother should have been counseled.
Good evening, doctor.
Well, I like the title. Though I'm not a doctor, I'm a counselor. How can I help you, sir?
I have a great problem. It's about my son. He is not going to school and every day it's a problem for me to send him to school.
But you look... you have a school-going son?
You mean I am old? Do I look old? Even now, I can beat you physically.
Okay, cool down.
I want you to advise him and see that he goes to school properly.
I will. Don't worry.
Even after you advise him, if he doesn't go to school, I will start beating and there is no other way.
No need to beat him anyway, sir.
Beating is not for him, it's for you.
Oh God, today what is happening? Everybody is getting angry with me.
Okay. Call your son, please.
Atul, come inside.
Are you Mr. Atul?
Yes, I am Mr. Atul Sharma.
Yes.
But he looks big for a school-going boy. What is it with you people? You are telling that he is still going to school?
You idiot! He is a principal of the school and he is not interested in going.
Now I need to beat you both of you guys.
Good evening, doctor. Good evening. Sir, I came to you.
Stop. Is your son in KG1?
No.
Is your son a 45-year-old principal?
No.
So, your son is not a 5-year-old boy and not a principal?
You come to the right place.
See the counselor, Rishi.
What are you looking at?
The counselor.
The counselor. This is the son.
Yes, it's me. Am I sounding a little eccentric? If you had seen the clients I had, you would have been in the hospital by this time. Anyhow, tell me, what is your problem?
Well, it's about a son, Rohan.
He's in class 9 and he's not concentrating in his studies.
Not behaving properly.
Eating junk food. Always.
Not serious in anything.
Stop. You are telling about your son? Even your enemies won't have so many complaints against him. Tell me in one sentence.
He has to concentrate on his studies.
He has to behave well with us.
I want to hear his views too. Can you please bring him one day here?
Okay.
Okay then. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Why don't you tell Shah about this counselor?
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Let me call and talk to him about it. Hi Shyam, Suresh here.
Excuse me, sir. May I come in?
Yes, please come in. Nice to meet you. Have a seat. You know why are you here now?
Yeah, for some counseling.
Okay.
I have been through this earlier.
So what do you think about us, counselors?
Nothing, it's just your job.
Well, Rohan, tell me about you.
Well, I am in class 9 and obviously you know my parents.
How is your grades?
I don't want to talk about it.
To succeed in your life, you need to study a lot.
Sir, you tell me, what is the qualification of Bill Gates? Okay, late Steve Jobs. They were all dropouts. Didn't they do big things?
That doesn't mean that you need to be a dropout to do a big thing in your life.
Studying is not the only way to succeed in life. I can be a rock star.
Could you please call your friend if you don't mind? Well, I have some ideas. Some good innovative ideas.
Hey, you tell us your idea. We'll decide if it's innovative.
Rohan, don't interfere. Let Prasad proceed. Go ahead, Prasad, please.
Okay, the plan goes like this. Well, I want you to swap the roles. Swap the roles for a week.
Swap the roles?
With you? Come on, I don't know anything about counseling.
I wish to swap with Katrina Kaif.
Me with Tendulkar.
Keep quiet. Let him tell the whole plan.
Yes, in the coming holidays, let the parents may take the kids' role and the kids may take the parents.
My goodness. Then I have to say yes to whatever my mom says.
Do I have to cook for all? No way.
I can't play the PlayStation or Xbox.
I cannot wear Divya's frock.
I have to call my friends too.
You will do nothing like that. For 1 week, you all will swap the roles with some conditions. Condition 1. Don't overdo the roles physically.
Meaning?
Divya did not cook. Rohan, you did not carry cylinders. You just do the character.
Okay. The next condition?
Condition 2. In case of an interaction with outsiders, you should be of your own.
We don't get you.
So Rohan, when your dad receives his friends, you need to be there for discussions. Condition number 3. Don't overplay your roles.
So we act like the other. What happens then?
Well, I don't know. You come to me after a week, then we will decide.
So do I get full money in my wallet when I take my dad's role?
Don't overdo. Remember condition 1.
Can I shout at my father like my mummy does?
Priya, she's just joking, you know. Priya never shouts at me. I never make her angry. Never.
Never asked you. Why don't you keep quiet?
Now, you all got the feel of it. Well, you may come after a week, then we'll decide. All the best.
Without your conditions, I was planning to spend all the money on buying my BM bat.
Don't overdo. Remember condition 1.
Well, doctor. Well, it's an innovative idea.
Well, let's do. At least to pass the time.
All the best.
Where's my coffee? Hey Rohan, wake up! Hey man, where's my coffee? Hey!
I want to sleep more.
But we have a deal. Where's my coffee?
Can we start it from tomorrow?
No. We do it today. You're the parents. You have to make the coffee. Make the breakfast for us kids. Come on. Wake up.
Okay, fine. Daddy, it's not like that.
I'll manage.
Let me show you.
I'll manage.
Your coffee is ready.
Thank you.
Good morning. Wake up. Your coffee is ready.
Good morning, Daddy. Oh, I want tea.
Oh no, I can't make tea for you alone.
Oh, no. I want tea. I want tea only.
Okay, I'll make tea for you.
Hello. Okay.
See, Mummy made me a cup of tea today.
Good morning. See how punctual I am? I made coffee for you. Good morning.
Lucky that you told me it's coffee. Otherwise, I would have refused this medicine.
By the way, when is the maid coming? There's a sink full of vessels.
I forgot to tell you. She's not coming today.
Oh my God! No!
Priya, come and help Mummy. I want to read my magazine.
Poor girl, can I just go and help her?
Just shut up. Let us enjoy our freedom. There, I'll cut it there.
Thank God it's over.
Yes, hello. Daddy!
Oh, yeah.
Your phone.
Hello? Hi!
Hello, Suresh. Where are you, man? You're not seen for the last 2 days? Come down. Murthy and Rami is also here.
Fine. I'll be there. Just a minute. I'll come now. Fine.
Divya, with your mom, Priya.
Yes, Saroja, tell me.
Saroja? I want to see your mom.
Yes, I'm Priya, don't you know? Yesterday, you borrowed half kg sugar from me.
Huh? Stop playing games with me. I don't have time. Call your mother. I need to make Diwali sweets now. Where's your mother?
Sorry, Saroja, I don't have time. I have to watch my 11 AM serial.
Come on, stop this drama now. I don't have time. Is your mom not inside? Call her.
Yes, my daughter is here. 1 minute. Divya! Divya!
Mommy, I'm here.
Oh, hi, Saroja auntie.
Auntie? What happened to you both girls? Told her about the sugar I borrowed yesterday?
What sugar? I don't know.
Oh, enough, Priya. Cut it out. I want you to come to my place and help me with my Diwali sweet.
I told you, Saroja. I have a serial to watch. I can't come.
You stop talking. I'm not talking to you.
I have homework to do.
Thank God, Bhaiya, aap aa gaye. People are driving me crazy.
Hi, Saroja auntie. How are you?
Oh my.
Yes, I'm Suresh speaking.
मैं दादाजी बोल रहा हूँ। सुरेश है क्या वहाँ पर?
I'm Suresh.
मेरे बच्चे मजाक मत करो। तुम्हारी पढ़ाई कैसी चल रही है?
Dad, do you think I still go to school? I work at Kuwait Oil Company.
ये कुवैत का नंबर है क्या?
Yes, Daddy, it's me. William, want me to bring from Kuwait?
मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए। ये फोन तुम्हारे पापा को दो।
Don't you hear me? I'm Suresh.
Hey, Rohan, who's on the phone? Hey, it's my daddy. Come on, give me the phone. Hi, Dad. Yes, Daddy. How are you?
हो आ गया तुम? क्या हुआ है तुमको? कुछ प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है वहाँ?
Yes, Daddy. Just joking around. How's mommy?
लो मम्मी से बात करो।
बेटा, आपको क्या हुआ? तुम्हारी आवाज अलग सी लग रही है।
Nothing like that, Mom. Just joking around. Okay, Mom. See you later. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Take care. You idiot! Who do you think you are playing with? Forget the conditions. Don't play like this.
Hello? Oh, hi. How are you? Oh, okay. Wait, I'm coming now only. Yeah, okay, bye.
Father is coming.
Okay, no problem. I didn't see you for the last 2-3 days.
Maybe she's studying.
Her father may not have allowed her to sit on the computer.
Not like that. Divya, look what I got for my birthday, an iPhone 4S. So cute! Let me see. I wish I had it too.
From your father? No way. See how tough he is.
You don't even have a mobile. Forget about 4S.
evening. I'm Paul with you from ICS. Father inside?
Daddy has gone out.
Hope I'm not disturbing your TV time.
Nothing like that.
I also love watch Tom and Jerry. Actually, I'm here to talk about some investment plan.
Oh, please make yourself comfortable. We'll discuss about it.
Oh no. I'd like to discuss about with your dad.
You don't need to worry. You can discuss it with me. I'll tell him later.
Well, I'm not sure. Your mother is in?
No, she's not here. You can discuss it with me.
There's a new investment plan. With as minimum as 10,000 per month.
10,000? He doesn't even have enough money to buy sports shoes for his son.
10,000 is not a problem for you. For your status.
Why? Why would I need to invest when I have my debit card and credit card whenever I want?
That's why I need to talk to your father, please.
Oh God. Hello? Hello? Where are you, Suresh?
Remember 2 months back, you saw a diamond jewelry in one shop? And longing for that, I was not having enough money at that time. And I told you that it would be yours one day. Remember that shop?
Yeah.
I'm sitting just opposite to that shop.
You cheat! Somebody's here and Rohan is playing with him. And that guy is getting irritated.
But
Come fast!
Come
home immediately.
So you mean he has to plan for us if something wrong happens with him?
Rohan, enough of this. Sorry, sir. Suresh will be here at any moment.
That's okay, ma'am. Rohan is trying to understand what his father is doing.
Good evening. Oh, I was at a very important meeting. How are you? Where is Rohan? Did he disturb you?
Oh, yeah. No.
Hey, Rohan!
I'll make coffee for you.
Okay, Rohan, bye-bye, take care.
Dad, so you're planning for the future also?
Come on, that's not a big deal. It's a part of what I had to do.
No, Daddy. I don't want to plan for my year-end exams. But you work so hard and you look into all details. I am feeling ashamed.
Hello, Suresh.
Hi, how are you?
How are you?
How's the trip?
It was nice. How are things here in Kuwait?
It's getting along. Please take a seat.
Thank you.
Hello, Joey. How are you? How's Mercy and kids?
What? I'm fine, Rohan. I find some difference in your tone. You talk like your father.
I'm not Rohan, I'm Suresh.
What?
Can I get you some coffee?
You'll make coffee for me? Where is your mummy? What is this, Suresh? What is happening in your house?
Well, I'll explain. You come here.
It is quite normal. Children getting into movies, computer, games. These are all normal things. For that, you went to see a psychiatrist?
He was not performing in his exams.
Agreed. But why go to a psychiatrist for this? Taking the kids to a psychiatrist is indirectly telling them they're sick in their mind.
We were desperate. Vidya's family is involved in this.
Who? Shyam? Another stupid family? Call them here. Let me talk to them. By the way, who is this doctor?
One Mr. Harishankar Prasad.
Where is his office?
He was in Mahbula only. Recently he has shifted to Brazil.
Brazil? He put you in trouble and run away to Brazil? How convenient.
Hey, Joy. How are you doing?
Hello, Shyam.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, Shyam. How are you?
I'm fine.
Shyam, you also fall into the same trap?
What do? We were desperate. We tried to do everything possible.
You had to swap your roles to understand your children?
We thought of giving this a try.
If things get worse in your office, you will swap your role with your boss?
Well...
When you have a problem with your mother-in-law, you change your roles to teach her a lesson?
We didn't lose anything. In fact, we understand each other better.
I'm not talking about your understanding. You have to go to a psychiatrist for this?
I also thought it was not a good idea, but he only insisted.
Come on, guys. You're blaming each other? Stop it. What do you want us to do then? You need not be a kid to understand how a kid behaves. You yourself were kids sometime earlier. The kids may not understand your roles and responsibilities. You have to make them understand. Once that is done, that's right. Today, the children are well informed. Unlike in your time, you have to be open to them. Treat them as grown-up.
If they don't understand and perform now, what would they do in the future?
This is what I am telling you. Talk today's problem. Were you a good manager when you were 10 years old?
No, I was just a kid.
Exactly. Allow them to be kids.
So leave them free?
No. Make them understand. If you don't have video games at your time, is it right to deprive them of them today?
But they don't know when to stop.
Wait for some time and keep telling them with a smile.
Smile? I forgot to smile since the day I married you.
So you also stopped smiling after marriage?
No, since I met you.
Hi. How are you?
I'm good, how are you? Good.
Uncle, we don't know about our parents, but we learned our lessons.
At least we know what our parents are going through.
You have such wonderful kids. Why can't you be more understanding with them?
But we are providing everything to them.
Don't think they should be grateful to you. You are just doing your duty.
Yeah, we also understand some of the peer pressure they have.
Now that's it. All is well.
All is well.
So, where we will go for our next vacation?
Not
to Brazil.
अरे अंजलि स्कूल नहीं जाते क्या?
नहीं, स्कूल में बहुत लफड़ा है। सारे पेरेंट्स आ जाते हैं अपने अपने प्रॉब्लम्स लेके। मैं अकेला क्या करूं?
ये तुम्हारा काम है। You are paid for that.
I know यार.